Hi everybody, good afternoon, good day. Thanks for joining us. My name is Ali Bulor of the Bulor Carl Immigration Group, and this is my law partner Alex Carr.
How we doing? Happy Monday. It's been a little while since we posted our informative videos on YouTube. Happy to be back.
Yes, and we do have a real update, and it's a good update. So the State Department today issued a memo that's on, if you go on our Instagram, americanvisas.us, I think it is, I'll confirm, but we have a link to that memo which was published by the US Embassy in Johannesburg, and it has information on how Afrikaners and other racial minorities or other minorities, if they're South African, it may qualify for the refugee program here in the U.S.
Yes, they are calling it, what is it, the US RAP, US Refugee Admissions Program.
Right.
There is a form that you need to fill out, they say, called a statement of interest. There may be a high volume of submissions, so you may have to wait a while to get a response. But if you're able to demonstrate that you are South African nationality, ethnicity of an Afrikaner, or another minority, as Ali said, and you can express your fear of future persecution or show past persecution based on that second bullet point, then you most likely qualify for this program.
So it's an expansion from what we remember from the initial video, initial report on this issue that we did a clip a couple months back. So back then we talked about Afrikaners only, but this has expanded the pool, so to speak. So it's Afrikaners and, like Alex said, or other minorities in South Africa. So that would presumably include, for example, Jews, for example, other minorities, Indians that may live in South Africa and have South African nationality. It does expand the pool quite a bit. So if you are overseas, hit that link in our Instagram and follow the instructions. If you are in the States though, what should they do?
Yeah, I mean, this kind of solidifies that you do qualify for asylum. There's probably a decent, strong case you can make to apply for asylum if you're here in the U.S.
Because all you have to prove is, I mean, it's not all, it's quite a bit, but that you are South African, Afrikaner, or other minority, and you can articulate
a fear of future persecution if you return to South Africa based on, in this case, your ethnicity and or your other minority that you are.
Right, so you don't have to have been to jail or flogged or raped or pillaged by any means. If you have a fear of being persecuted, that should qualify you.
Sure. If you have any questions about this, give us a call or shoot us an email. Happy to answer some questions you may have. And that's going to be all for today.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.
That's right.
Okay. Ciao.